Just wanted to make a quick video on how I converted my clay terracotta chimenea, wood burning chimenea, into a gas fire so I could have it sitting on my patio. Let's have a look and see how I did this. Okay, so here's the old Chimenea. Poor old thing's been sitting in the garden for years. Hasn't been used. Originally bought it to make s'mores with the grandkids. But here we are in California. We really aren't allowed to have open fires. It's not a great idea. So it's just been sitting derelict in the back here. And I thought I'd give it a new lease of life. So with one of my bright spark ideas, I thought, let me convert it to gas and have it sitting on the patio and giving us a little bit of heat. So I bought a kit. Let's take a look at the kit I'm going to use and see how we might be able to put that into this poor old chimenea. Okay, let's take a look. Oh, you gotta love Amazon, right? Ordered this online, $109, maybe $110 plus tax, and arrives the next day. So here's all the pieces that come in the box. You got an adapter that goes on your propane tank, and this leads to, let's see, this valve here. This valve here is the on-off valve and control valve. So this will not only turn it on, but it'll also adjust the height of the flame. So that's already in there. This is the piece. I already started putting this together. Here's the other hose. This is the hose that will come from this valve here, and it's going to go to this here, which is the piece that the ring goes to. And let's have a look at the ring here. Whoa. It's stainless steel, so it should last a while, and it's basically going to sit on here. Okay, so what I have to do is I'm going to have to drill a hole in the bottom of the chimenea and feed this up through here. And this is designed for a metal fire. So if you had a metal wood fire and you wanted to convert it, this would be the ideal kit to buy. But because I'm going into the chimenea, and the chimenea is about 3/4 inch thick on the bottom, I'm not going to be able to use this piece here. Well, I'm going to be able to use it, but I'm going to have to adapt it in some way. So you have to have this piece pointing up because this has got the air holes in it, which adds air to the mix of gas, which gives you the desired flame. So I found a couple of washers in the workshop, and I went to the Ace hardware store, which is really close by, and bought a couple of couplings. This is just a steel coupling, and this is stainless steel, which will go into this piece down here. So let's go back outside, drill a hole into the bottom of the chimenea, and we'll see if this is going to work. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get the grate, and these fire bricks out of here. Not going to need those. Okay, let's turn this over and let's drill a hole in the bottom. Okay, so I've drilled a really small pilot hole in the bottom here, just so to get me started, so that I know where the center is. And I'm just going to use, this is just a 3/4 inch. Alright, well that was pretty easy and not too bad on the inside. Didn't break through or make any nasty holes, so that was easier than I thought. So the 3/4 inch hole that I drilled with my 3/4 inch drill isn't big enough, and I don't have a larger drill, so I just started to take a little bit off of this. Okay. I think that's going to do it. Okay, so this piece now fits nicely into here, and I'm going to use one more washer on the inside. And that's going to be, let's move the camera and show you what that's going to look like inside. Okay, so here's the fitting on the outside, and here it is on the inside, and that should be perfect for that ring to screw down on. So now all I've got to do is take this out and tape it all up with a PTFE tape, and tighten it all up and see what I do next. Now the kit comes with plenty of PTFE tape, so that was pretty easy for me to just take this up, and I'm gonna feed that through there. That's gonna be my inlet feed to the gas ring, and this is the appropriate yellow tape for gas. So we're just going to add that. This is the piece that's going to go into the fire ring itself. Alright. Take my other washer and pop that on there. and screw that down. Okay, I am just a little bit loose here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this back off, and I'm going to add another washer. I'm going to add another washer to the back side or the bottom side of this, so it tightens it up. Okay, I actually ended up adding 2 more washers. I put 2 on this side and 2 on the other. So if you are going to attempt this on a Chimenea, you can learn from my experience. If you're doing this on one of those metal fireplaces, you're not going to have to worry about that. Alright, I do not want to mash the I think that's going to be good. Alright, I think that's fine. I don't want to crack this poor old Chimenea. So let's stand it up and connect up the gas. Okay, so connected that hose to the bottom. I'm just going to connect these up quickly. I'm not going to tighten them down properly because I just want to turn this on, and then I'm going to add the blue glass fire to finish it off. Okay. Let's see what happens when we turn this puppy on. Okay, helps if you have something to light the gas with handy. So let's turn on the gas and have this ready, and turn on this here. Okay. All right. We have flames. Let's go to the next stage. Put some nice colored glass in there and see what that looks like. Okay, I think the only fail is I didn't order enough of the glass, or didn't purchase enough. I'm going to need to pick up another bag. I can't really lower the ring into the Chimenea because there's a set height on that piece that comes with it. So I think the easier answer is to put some more of the blue glass in there. But anyway, I hope this gives you some idea of why it might be a good idea to upgrade your Chimenea. Hope you find this helpful. If you do, please like, and as always subscribe so I can send you more information.